Hello Year 4, welcome to your on-demand home learning video for this week. In maths, we have been learning about adding and subtracting 4-digit numbers. As part of your home learning this week, I would like you to have a go at finding the missing number in some addition problems. Here is an example of one. There are some key things that we must remember when we are adding 4-digit numbers. Remember to always start at the ones. So in my example, 2 plus 9 equals 11. So I need to place a 1 in the ones column and then carry a 1 into the tens column. My next column, the tens, I need to add 30 plus 50, which equals 80, and add the 1 which equals 90. In the hundreds, I add 400 plus 200, which equals 600. And finally, in the thousands column, 5,000 plus 3,000 equals 8,000, equaling my answer 8,691. Make sure you try to set out your work, making sure that you line up each of your place value columns. This will make it easier for when you add the numbers together. And also, a quick tip, label the place value columns. This will help you understand the value of each of the numbers. So here's an example of a problem that you will see as part of your home learning. You will see that in the hundreds column on my top number, there is a number missing. So let's go through and try and work out what that number is. 6 plus 9 in my ones column equals 15. So I need to place my 5 in the ones and carry a 10 over. 9 plus 5 equals 14, which would equal 140 because it's 90 plus 50. And then I need to add my 10 on, which equals 150. So I place 5 in the tens column and a 1 in the hundreds column. In my hundreds column, I have something add 2 equals 8, but I must remember to add on the 100 that I have carried. So 200 plus 100 equals 300, which must mean the missing digit is a 500. And then finally, 8,000 plus 0 in the thousands column in the number below will equal 8,000. As part of our writing this week, we have been thinking about different punctuation, and in particular thinking about our capital letters and our full stops. So I've got a challenge for you this week, and that is to correct some sentences that have got the wrong punctuation. You may need to use a capital letter, a full stop, a question mark, a comma, an exclamation mark, or inverted commas. As you are all well aware, a capital letter is used at the beginning of a sentence for the name of a place or a person. A full stop is used at the end of a sentence. A question mark is used at the end of a question. A comma is used as a break in a sentence. An exclamation mark is used to show possibly a character shouting, or it may be a reaction to shock. And inverted commas are used to show speech. You will see different sentences like this. I can hear an owl hoot at night. I have identified that there was no capital letter placed at the beginning of my sentence, and also there was no full stop used. So as you can see below, I have typed out my sentence again, but I have ensured that I have added a capital letter and a full stop.